Are we really alone in the universe? Dangerous evidence has recently emerged. Imagine looking up at the night sky, billions of stars, each potentially hosting planets orbiting them. The question that has puzzled humanity for thousands of years remains unanswered: are we alone? Or is someone, or something, watching us from the depths of the cosmos? Since ancient times, humans have linked the skies with the unknown. Ancient civilizations depicted gods coming from the stars and recorded strange sightings in their inscriptions. Today, however, we rely not on myths, but on science, telescopes, and data. In recent decades, everything has changed. Space agencies, led by NASA, have made discoveries that make this question more urgent than ever. Let's start with the basics: the universe. The observable universe contains over 200 billion galaxies. Each galaxy holds hundreds of billions of stars. According to NASA's latest research, most of these stars host planetary systems. We are talking about numbers beyond imagination. Not all planets are habitable, though. This brings us to the concept of the habitable zone, the perfect distance from a star where water can exist in liquid form. According to NASA scientists, thousands of exoplanets have been found within this zone. One of the most famous discoveries is the TRAPPIST-1 system, 7 Earth-sized planets, at least 3 of which lie in the habitable zone. This is not science fiction, but actual data published by NASA. But a habitable planet doesn't mean intelligent life exists. This brings us to life itself. On Earth, life appeared very early in the planet's history. After only a few 100 million years, the first forms of life emerged. This has led some scientists to believe that life is not a rare occurrence but a natural result when conditions are right. NASA has repeatedly announced that the building blocks of life, water, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, are everywhere in the universe. These elements have even been found in distant gas clouds thousands of light-years away. But what about intelligent life? Here comes the Drake equation, created by astronomer Frank Drake to estimate the number of civilizations capable of communication in our galaxy. While it doesn't provide a precise number, its possible outcomes are astonishing. There could be thousands of advanced civilizations in the Milky Way alone. So, where are they? This question is known as the Fermi Paradox. If the universe is teeming with intelligent life, why haven't we made contact? Why is there no clear evidence? The possibilities are many. Perhaps intelligent civilizations are extremely rare. Perhaps they exist but are so advanced that we cannot understand their signals. Or perhaps, there's a reason everyone remains silent. Things start to get unsettling here. In recent years, NASA has reported unusual findings in the atmospheres of some exoplanets. Gases like methane and oxygen have been found together, a combination hard to explain through purely natural processes. On Earth, these gases are often linked to biological activity. One exoplanet has caused a significant stir in the scientific community, with some scientists calling the findings the best evidence yet of possible extraterrestrial biological activity. But NASA has been cautious. They did not claim life was found, only that the signs warrant further study. Caution is essential. Because the history of searching for life beyond Earth is filled with false leads. In the 1970s, NASA sent the Viking landers to Mars. Some experiments produced results that seemed to hint at microbial life. Later, it turned out that the explanation was more complex and likely chemical in nature. Yet Mars has never been forgotten. Satellite images revealed strong evidence of past liquid water, rivers, lakes, even ancient oceans. Today, scientists are searching for signs of ancient life buried beneath the surface of the red planet. Mars isn't alone. The moons of Jupiter and Saturn have become prime targets. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, hosts a massive subsurface ocean beneath a thick ice layer. This ocean may be larger than all of Earth's combined oceans. According to NASA scientists, conditions there could support life. Saturn's moon Enceladus ejects plumes of water into space. Analysis of these plumes has revealed complex organic compounds, key building blocks of life. This is not theoretical, these are real data. But what about signals? For decades, the SETI project has been searching for radio signals from space. In one notable case, a signal known as the WOW signal was detected, a strong, unexplained signal that has never repeated. To this day, it remains unresolved. Was it a natural phenomenon, or a message we were not ready to understand? NASA neither confirms nor denies, but they do acknowledge one thing: we are only at the beginning. With the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, we have entered a new era. This telescope can analyze the atmospheres of distant planets with unprecedented precision, specifically designed to search for signs of life. Scientists expect the coming years may bring answers that could change the course of human history, but the real question isn't just, are we alone? It's, what happens if we are not? How would it change our understanding of religion, philosophy, and existence? Are we psychologically ready for such a discovery? NASA itself has posed this question in reports. The discovery could be the greatest event in human history, but it could also be a civilization-shattering shock. On the other hand, what if we find no one? What if the universe is truly silent? Then Earth would be even more extraordinary, a rare point of life in an infinite sea of darkness, and this possibility is no less terrifying. In the end, science does not yet hold a definitive answer. But evidence is mounting, discoveries are accelerating, and space agencies are closer than ever to unraveling humanity's greatest mystery. Are we alone in the universe, or is the answer out there, waiting for the right moment to reveal itself?